I'm using size 8. And that's the project. You can do anything with this project. That's the back. Hi everyone, welcome again to another project. This one I've done a ribbon for 1-1, that is knitting and purl 1, knit and purl 1. And I have how many stitches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20. You put the yarn on towards you, then you purl 3, 1, 2, 3. The 3 you just purl, forgetting the first one here, you put them back on the left hook. 1, 2, 3. Put the yarn back on the other side, and you knit the 3 again. You have just put back on the hook and knit 1 more and repeat. Bring the yarn towards you, knit, purl 3, bring them back, put them back to the left hook, to the left needle, bring your yarn over to the other side and knit them again, the 3, and then knit 1 more. We do it again. Bring the yarn towards you, purl 3, put them back on the left hook, on the left needle, bring your yarn over to the other side and knit them. And knit 1 more. Do the same again. Purl 3, put all the 3 stitches back to the left needle, bring your yarn over to the knitting side and knit the 3 again, and knit 1 more to create a border between the patterns. Do it again. Purl 3, bring them back on the left hook, on the left needle, bring your yarn to the knitting side and knit them again, and we'll knit 1 more. So do it nearly done. Purl 3, take them back, 3, bring your yarn to the knitting side and knit them, and knit 1 more. Now the last stitches. Purl 3, take them back, bring your yarn on the knitting side. You just repeat. This is another pattern to repeat. 2 rows repeat and knit the last one. Okay, this is how it comes out. Okay, on the wrong side you just purl all the way through. This side you don't do anything, you just go back, you purl all the way through on the wrong side. I love knitting. Knitting is very easy. I know so many people love crocheting. I can't crochet, and I love also knitting. If you learn how to knit, it's so easy. I find it is very calming. Your mind is all fixed here. It's like you're meditating. Okay, now we do another row. I'll show you the next row. That's the right side of the project. So you knit one, bring your yarn over towards you, purl 3. Now we are putting a pattern. 1, 2, 3. Take them back on the left needle. Bring your yarn on the other side you knit the 3 again, knit the 3 and knit one more to create a border between the pattern and between the patterns you create a border. Then bring your yarn towards you, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Take them back, bring your yarn to the knitting side and knit the 3 again, knit them again, the 3, and knit one more. You do the same, you just repeat. 1, 2, 3. So we purl them, we take them back and knit them again, the 3 stitches. And knit one more. Do the same again, repeat, purl 3, take them back, put your yarn on the knitting side and knit them again. 1, 2, 3, and knit one more. Do the same again. 1, 2, 3. Take them back, knit them again. That's how you create the pattern. And you knit one more to create a border. Purl them, purl 3. Take them back. Last 2 I've taken and one more. Take them back. 1, 2, 3, and one more. Bring the yarn towards you, purl 3, take them back, 1, 2, 3. And the last one you purl, you knit. That's how the patterns comes out. So on the wrong side, we just purl. all the way through. Just purl all the way to the end, and you just repeat row 1 and row 2. You just repeat. It's nothing complicated. It's so easy because you take the first 3, you purl them, you take them back on the left hook, on the left needle, sorry, and then you knit them again, and you create a border with a knit or purl, 1 stitch or 2, how many stitches you want. I will come back after a couple of rows and show you how the pattern is coming out, but it's beautiful, it's very easy, it's not complicated at all. So that's the, after 2 more rows, that's what you get. It's very beautiful. So go last time, maybe go 1, yarn over, part 2, go back, 1, 2, 3, bring the yarn on the other side and knit those 3, and 1 more, this one here. Okay, turn your yarn over, purl 3, go back, 1, 2, 3, bring your yarn on the other side to knit them, 1, 2, 3, and you knit this one. It's like a border, and separate them. Bring your yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bring your yarn over and knit them, 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. Bring your yarn over towards you, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, go back, 1, 2, 3, bring your yarn on the other side, 1, 2, 3, and 1 more, this one here. Bring your yarn over towards you to purl side, 1, 2, 3, go back, 1, 2, 3, bring your yarn over, knit the 3, and knit 1 of this one more. Bring your yarn over, 1, 2, 3, bring them over, 1, 2, 3, bring the yarn the other side, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, which is this one, bring your yarn over, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, take them back, 1, 2, 3, and then you bring your yarn over to knitting side, 1, 2, 3, and you knit 1 more, which is the border here. Then I always purl 1 at the end. So this is what you get. Okay, now the last row, We just purl them over, all of them. We just purl to the end. We just repeat two rows, and that's it. Looks complicated, but it's very, very easy. And you can use any needles you want, any size, but I am using, see, that's beautiful, that's very beautiful. I am using size 8, and that's the project. You can do anything with this project. That's the back. Thank you for watching. I'm using size 8, and that's the project. You can do anything with this project. That's the back. Thank you for watching.